Hi, Miss M6719. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Girlie Villalos. I'm 39 years old. I'm single without kids. I am high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I have two brothers and four sisters. My work experience as a domestic helper for 11 years and 9 months. I serve one adult and three kids at the age of 7, 8, and 9. My main duties are cleaning all around, feeding the kids, ironing, or washing the car, taking care of cat.
Okay, so you have experience taking care of children, but you don't have experience taking care of a
Yes.
baby, right?
Yeah.
My question is, it is okay to you to take care of a baby?
Sorry?
It is okay to you to take care of a
Yes.
baby?
It's okay.
Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a baby?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the body temperature, feeding the baby, and changing the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call her parents
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is safest country and offer higher salary, and I want to save money for my family.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long as my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, I don't have idea, but I am willing to learn by watching YouTube and reading the Chinese book.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the employer to eat the food that the employer provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
No,
Why?
because the all work is my responsibility.
So if your employer's house is so very big, it is okay to you that you have
Yes.
another. Okay, so it is okay to you to share
Yeah.
job without a helper.
It's okay.
Okay. It is okay to you to share job. Sorry. It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets and elderly?
It's okay.
Um, what? It is okay to you to learn their language.
It's okay. I'm willing to learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest person and I am hardworking and I do my best to follow your rules and regulation and respect your family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Jerly.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.